Today we're on board a Downeast style cruiser, a Newport 460 by Island Gypsy. This truly is an entertainer's boat, free flowing. Let me take you on board and show you around. I said this was an entertainer's boat, and after stepping on board from that large rear platform, you've got this sensational easy access either side of the cockpit, and just look at the flow of this boat. Here we have nearly 4 metres of bench space. This truly is an entertainer's galley. Twin under bench, domestic style refrigeration, induction cooktop, combination microwave, twin stainless steel sinks, and an ice maker. Stepping into the helm area from the side door, and what a great feature that is in itself. We've got digital throttles, bow and stern thruster, automatic trim tabs, and a full array of instrumentation. But it also benefits from a dockmate, taking all the stress out of manoeuvring your boat. You can even step outside your door here and operate your boat just with your dockmate. So stepping down the companionway, which is nice and wide with a bolstered handrail on the right hand side, into the main cabin with separate shower and separate head. So if you'd like to step on board and find out what I'm talking about, my name's Jason from Leigh-Smith Yachts.